Alright, welcome to Doozer Shop. Something a little bit different, another unboxing, but I'm in my house and I'm going to shoot from in here for just tonight, I guess, and I'm going to show you some more boxes that came. I seem not to order or buy anything for a while, and then it kind of builds up where I need stuff, and it goes in kind of spurts, I suppose. But I'll take you around. This is my my computer room, my middle bedroom, and you might see a Gershner chest in the background. I got that for $100, full of tools, from a gentleman that used to work at Boeing, and he ran an Excello thread grinder most of his career. He was an expert at threads, and so I got that from him. So that's super cool. It's got the riser, da-da-da-da. I'll take you around this room a little bit, and then I'll do some unboxing. So let's give you a little bit closer look at this guy. I think it's in pretty good shape. I had to work on the cover, you know, the door when you close it up. But everything's good shape. I got a little put your Bible in there or whatever. It's kind of neat. And this bottom is a riser. You know, it's kind of cool. Ow! I'm kicking stuff. So that's. I don't have any tools in it really yet. It's been up there for many years. So that's that. I want to show you another cool item. So I got some more toolboxes up here, Gershners and what have you. This is kind of cool. This is in Birmingham, Alabama. They had a Gander Mountain in Birmingham. So they got me with the bear. Doozer with the bear. So that's cool on a work trip. Kind of fun. What's in the top? You know, stuff. Machinist stuff. I forget where I got half these things. I think I got this from a machinist in Lake Shore in Buffalo. Not sure what's all in it. Machinist stuff. I think that was the lock on my gym locker in high school, right? Still got it. Good Lord. I truly don't know what's in here. Oh, indicators and let's see here, jeepers. Kingman White. That's like a 2.5-inch sign bar. These are nice. These are nice. I don't know if anything is. They're all put away. Little vise, little magnet. Nothing. Oh, papers. I don't know. I probably got more. Oh yeah, indicators. Man, you guys probably love this stuff. That's a big sucker, right? That's like a 2-inch face. Federal Testmaster. Man, that's some cool. Here's a double face Verdict Dual. You know, right? 2 faces. Twice the fun. This is kind of cool. When Inter Rapids get a bit older, they get. I think this is a. Well, shoot. There you go. You know, they get that orange color. Yeah, this is really a neat one. I had a ruby pivot, jewel pivot replaced in the tip there by an indicator repair guy. He charged me $13 this many years ago, but that's cool. And the rapids are nice. And they're just a compact Alina. Ooh, is that thing stiff? Oh no, there it goes. Alright, sometimes you let them sit. And I got more cool indicators. This really wasn't about my box. All stuff, and that thing's cool. That's from the Great Northern Elevator. It's got Tesla's patent on it and everything. Thread files. You know, machinist stuff, right? This really wasn't about that. This video was about, oh! This thing, right? Too bad somebody painted it purple or mahogany or raspberry or whatever. This is neat. Tiger stripe maple. Put your dental picks in there. More tiger stripe maple. This thing's cool, right? This thing is, man, it just, the fun never ends at Doozer's place here. And you know, like, some of these drawers I haven't even opened. But anyhow, it's a cool piece. I want to strip it one day and get it down to the natural wood and put my Gersoners on top. My machinist boxes. Just a quick note, this one, anytime you see white, it's a medical box, okay? Medical box. And these got the, instead of galvanized underneath, it's black paint. This is a medical box. That's how you can tell. Dentists had these a lot. Come on. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways, yeah, that's a medical box. I've got one of these brand new. Never used. Brand new in the original packing. This one I got. No, I didn't get this one. I got another one like this in the shop. I got it on Elmwood Avenue in Buffalo, in Allentown. But anyhow, so there's that, there's that. Let's do some unboxing. So this is a McMaster car. Parts for the lathe. 1/4 inch straight push-in grease fittings for the Handy. All right, good, good. Ooh, well, let's go over that last. I got some thrust bearings. These are thrust washers. Okay. /28, 1 inch long grease fittings. Again, I need one for the Handy. You had to buy 5 or something, so that's that. Good stuff. 640 flathead screws. My Brown & Sharp 13 tailstock needs a couple of these. I have 2 tailstocks. Kind of neat. Oh boy. These are brass 1032 thumb screws. ENA bearing. These are 3/8 inner diameter needle thrust bearings. These are, oh, this is a 5/16 coarse thread locking collar. Oh boy, maybe you can see it. I know this is amateur hour at the, yeah, the locking collar, but it's threaded. This is going to be for the lead screw on the Handy, or the feed screw. What is this? Boy, they give you nice bags. Oh, this is a Wittet Higgins bearing nut. This is going to be for fixing the Gorton power feed box. Oh, this is a 9/16 inner, 11/16 outer, oil light bush for the handy. Okay, put all that back in. All that back in. Now, this guy, look at this. This, why not? So Norton triangular stone. I got this, like I said, from McMaster. This is an India stone, and I got it for smoothing the dovetail ways. I know it says made in Mexico, but it's called an India stone. Now this thing's about, what is that, 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch? I didn't have one this big. I had a real small one. But you guys work on machines with the dovetail ways. You want to deburr what you got, get one of these. Like I said, I think it was about 26 bucks. Awesome. So, anyhow, that's the McMaster car purchase, right? Set that down. This guy, let's see here. I really need to, you know what? We're gonna do this. Put this drawer open. I know. Hello. Hi. You can see what I'm doing here. This is Bridgeport parts. I ordered from Mataco or something, from Mataco. They got an eBay site, store. And needed some things for the Bridgeport. Alright. Ooh, they gave me a catalog. There you go. Timing belt for the Bridgeport. Gates. There you go, by 1 1/8. Pretty cool. Smells like a belt. I think this was only not $10. It's the belt for the 33 inches long. A-size belt, 33. I thought the one I was on there was a 34. But whatever. No matter. It's supposed to fit. It's supposed to be made in USA. What does it say? Power drive. I don't know. IPT. You can't see it. I can't see it. You can't see it. Alright. Got a quill. Skirt. So these things, it's a nice one. Black oxide coated. See these tabs? Well, maybe you can't. Maybe this is gonna be exercise and shit. Here, so see the tab? Tab. These broke off my old one, and what I did is I fixed it. I cut this back and I left, the tabs were gone, and I marked out where the tabs should be, and I lowered this whole thing by like a 16th or a 16th, an eighth of an inch. But I bought a new one. You lose a little quill down travel, but this is a new one, so that's cool. That. The real reason, thing I needed was these pins, right? These are the pins on top of the back gear lever, the clutch. These are 1/4 inch 32 threads per inch. So these, I don't know what these were, 11 bucks. And then I bought these, right? The down feed and the protractor. So that's mine were mangled beyond, they're just ugly, so I got a new one. They give you screws too. Cool. And drive pins. So that's that. I think that's all I ordered. All I ordered. There's the receipt. How do they give you this? Yeah. I want you to order more stuff, right? B series. There you go. Mataco. Where are they at there? Alright, so that's cool. Oh yeah, that's the meat you guys want to see right there. So order something from these guys. Their prices seem pretty good, and they give you the whole breakdown book. I didn't ask for this. This came with it. The order was like, I don't know, 100 and just at 100 bucks. I don't know, 95. I don't remember all the stuff. So that's kind of cool. And that's kind of it. Coming to you from the computer room, and thought I'd just kind of give you a little quick shot and do a quick opening of some more items that I purchased for keeping the shop at tip-top capacity. Yeah. I don't know. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time here on Doozer's Shop.